Are you planning to use your Massachusetts marriage license or any other vital records abroad? Then you need an apostille service that you can trust. Introducing BostonApostilleService.com, your trusted partner for all your apostille needs. We have a team of expert staff who are dedicated to helping you apostille your documents with ease and accuracy. Our company offers a free consultation to help you understand the process and answer any questions you may have. We believe that an informed client is a satisfied client, and we are committed to ensuring that you understand everything before we begin the process. What sets us apart from our competitors is our commitment to providing the lowest rates possible while delivering quality service. Unlike unknown internet sites from China and India, we have a physical location that you can visit anytime you need help. At BostonApostilleService.com, we are passionate about helping our clients achieve their goals, whether it's studying abroad, getting married in a foreign country, or starting a business overseas. We understand that the apostille process can be confusing and stressful, which is why we are here to simplify it for you. So, if you want to apostille your Massachusetts marriage license or any other vital records, don't hesitate to contact us. Trust a local, vetted business like BostonApostilleService.com to handle your apostille needs. We guarantee that you will be satisfied with our service.